Today I'm going to show you how to get rid of this in less than 1 minute. This lilac bush has got to go. It's seen better days. All of this is dead. It's all dead around it. There's no leaves lower than this. It's no good. I'll get something else to plant here. You can see half of this bush is already gone. This was all dead a few years ago. We're not going to use this. Are you crazy? This is way too heavy. And using a shovel is way too slow. Here's the easiest and fastest way I know how to get rid of this bush. I'm using a reciprocating saw with a carbide blade to cut through the trunk of the shrub like butter. First, I'm getting rid of the loose mulch and dirt so I can get a lower cut on the shrub. The carbide blade stays sharp longer even if it cuts into dirt. Wow, that was fast. Now I'm just covering this stump with dirt and mulch to level off the ground. Hey, this project's done, huh? Tell me, that was a whole lot easier than digging that out with a pickaxe and a shovel. It's 85 degrees, again in Ohio, and you have to find easy ways to do stuff. You know, I keep saying I'm getting older, right? I'm 70 years old. I can't be swinging a pickaxe. I can, but I don't want to. I grabbed my reciprocating saw. I put a carbide blade on it. A Diablo is my favorite. They have very good ratings every time I watch any reviews on saw blades. You get them at Home Depot, or you can get them on Amazon. But I'll tell you what, cutting that off a little bit below ground level, the carbide blade isn't going to go dull because it's okay to go in the dirt with it a little bit. And you got to admit, cutting it with that saw, it only took a minute. I don't know how long I'd be swinging that pickaxe. The lilac bush was growing, although it wasn't healthy. So those roots wouldn't have come out that easy. And like I say, I'd have a big hole. So with that said, this is the Everyday Man saying thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.